is how it looks like. So 10 of you guys will get a chance to win these. Hi everyone, so I'm in Taft already. My NSTP class just got finished. I'm here with my sister, so baka mag-library muna kami. I wasn't able to get matcha earlier kasi apparently hindi pa pala open yung Tomo kapag 7 AM. Pero sabi sa Instagram na open na sila ng 7 AM. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my sister. I have like 3 tasks for today. Yung script ko for Math Fund. I also need to finish my Coblo notes, my handwritten notes, and reply to emails. Dapat matapos ko na itong emails kasi ilang days na din ako nakakapag-reply and follow up. So, right now, nasa amphitheater. Ay, hindi. Dito amphitheater. I don't know kung anong tawag dito. Basta, yung canteen is nandun. Tapos yung amphitheater nandun. This is like a hidden space here. But I like going here kasi konti lang yung dumadaan na tao usually dito. So, most of the time, mainit, ganon. Pero I like staying here para mag-isa lang ako. Introvert problems. So, maghahanap kami ng, I don't know, coffee shop or any place na pwede kami stay. I mean, hindi na elevator. Bye. Yung sexy tayo. Update guys, pares kami may electric fan right now. Pakita mo yung sa'yo sis. Yay! Link below if you guys want. Sold out na yung ganito. Parang new variation na yung nasa shop nila. Pero hindi ko same naman kasi same brand lang. So nag-book lang kami ng Grab papuntang SM Makati. Sabi ni ate, nabobore na daw siya dito. So lilipat na kami sa SM Makati.
들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 전생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들도 조금만 더 누웠길 바래 조금만 이제는 어디까지 걷어설지 여기서부터 다시 보면 되겠지 틀어놓을 테니까 이 영화를 넌 보며 먹을 맥주 한 캔과 과자를 사 우린 하루 종일 뒹굴거리면서 다시 뒹굴거리고 또 입을 맞추면서 다시 입을 맞추고
How time is not spare. I told you. Pag ka ba? Nagbanila.
Baby I love you Baby I need you 이렇게 아무것도 안 해도 좋은 걸
Okay, so let's prep my skin before I apply my makeup. So before I go sa campus pala, kailangan ko bumili ng columnar kasi meron akong accounting assignment na kailangan ko dun ilagay. And hindi pa ako nakakabili ng columnar. Meron namang National Bookstore na malapit sa Lasal. So, doon na lang ako bibili. I have 3 classes today. I have marketing, I have econ, and accounting. And until 7:30 PM ako today. Iniisip ko kung tama ba na gumigising ako ng super aga every morning, knowing na 11 AM pa naman yung class ko. Kasi feeling ko, kapag mga 7:30 na aantukin na ako. So, I don't know, I'm still testing myself and experimenting if gagana yung routine na yun sa akin. Kasi, Kaya naman ako gumigising ng super aga. Kasi I think pag uwi ko ng 7:30, wala na akong energy kasi nga buong day nasa campus ako. And so wala na akong time to do my other stuff like editing or kaya advanced notes or advanced readings. So I don't know. Itetest ko pa rin yung sarili ko. Anyway, I'm applying pala itong Retinol serum from Isntree because I was watching a lot of TikTok videos lately about retinol. At first, I was very skeptical to try out retinols kasi I know it's not the usual or the ordinary ingredient na ina-apply natin sa face natin, right? So after doing a lot of research, I opted for this one na lang from Isntree kasi I've tried their sunscreen before. Napakita ko na yun sa inyo before. And since trusted ko naman na yung brand, sabi ko, sige, I'll try their retinol na lang din. And let me tell you, grabe yung improvement sa skin ko. I will show you guys a video few weeks ago. You can really notice the appearance of my fine lines, wrinkles, ganyan. But after just a few weeks, you guys can see, ayan, ito na yung status ng face ko. Totoo nga na retinol is a game changer. So, 3 drops lang yan, guys. Usually 2 to 3 drops lang kailangan. And then, ipapat ko lang siya sa skin ko. Retinols, like this one, it provides intensive anti-aging benefits, which is really helpful, lalo na if you guys have fine lines, wrinkles, kasi let's face it guys, we're not getting any younger, and ako napapansin ko na rin yun sa skin ko. So sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, sige, magta-try ako mag-retinol kasi it increases also collagen production. This is very gentle on the skin and very moisturizing also. I don't mind using it sa morning. So ayan, if you're new and you're gonna start applying retinol pa lang, I recommend using it at night. Also, di siya for everyday use guys. Ako personally, I use it 1 to 2 times a week lang. Baka gamitin nyo siya everyday. So, yeah, 1 to 2 times a week lang ang recommended. Ayan, so after retinol, I'm gonna apply my sunscreen. This is from Isntree also, their Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. I've used this a lot already kasi this has SPF 50+, PA+++++, as in super dami niyang protection. It's for those days na nagmamadali ka kasi it's fast absorbing tapos lightweight din siya. This is actually ranked as the #1 K-beauty brand sunscreen, which is so cool and which I get kasi wala siyang white cast, wala siyang fragrance, and it is suitable for all skin types. So dry, normal, oily skin, you can use this. Here's the formula of this sunscreen, guys. Since I've been raving about this retinol na and this sunscreen, Isntree is kind enough to host a giveaway for you guys. So 10 of you guys will get a chance to win my favorite set, the retinol and then itong sunscreen, as well as dalawang serum nila. They have vitamin C serum if you guys have problem with hyperpigmentation, and then itong hyper niacinamide serum naman if you guys have large pores. So 10 of you guys will get a chance to win these. So I will leave the mechanics below if you guys want to join, and also the links sa mga products na to if gusto niyo sila bilhin. Pero yeah, so continue ko lang to makeup ko and let's go sa campus. These are my school papers. Nakalagay sila dito sa like case. Ang daming kalat dito sa loob, like scratch papers and all. So, ayusin ko muna to guys. We have a lot of notebooks. Like, meron akong dynamite na notebook. One by one, mga 2 by 2. Yay! Meron din akong mga tables for my analytics. Kasi nagpa-print yung prof namin ng mga like Z-table. So, and meron dito kami nag-based habang susolve ng problems. Ganyan. I don't need this na, so goodbye. I have my scratch papers for accounting. Goodbye. Tapos na ako sa accounting 1. Okay, I feel like unbox ko na tong phone. Kasi need ko rin siya i-set up and all. Okay, so for reference, I got the iPhone 14 Pro Max in silver. Kasi never pa ako nagka-silver na phone. Taran! Okay, actually, na-open na namin to sa store. But, di ko pa siya nasi-set up. But, ta-da! This is how it looks like. Woo! Ooh, okay.
US University papasadaan lang natin yung discount na tungkol sa University, tungkol sa article na binigyan ko kayo.
Yan lang kasi dalawang subjects din na notes.
We are about to leave. It's that time of the month na wala na ulit akong milk. So, kailangan namin mag-SNR. And I also need to buy yung instant matcha powder na lagi kong binibili doon. I am using the P&G Beauty Creamy Tint in the shade Nick Nick. I will link this below. We're gonna do a little grocery shopping and I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. I got tuna kasi ang bilis maubos ng oat milk sa akin. So, para sure, dalawa na yung kinuha ko.
I heard that the pink flavor, but they're not noodles. Oh my god.
This reminds me of Bethany Mota.
어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도
We got these
I don't care about it all. 어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고
No, I think it's probably me.
이제는 네가 떠나도 I don't care about it all. 어젯밤과 함께 떠난 게 넌 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.